HyperIntelligence is one of those things where it's really sitting on the shoulders of 30 years of investment that we have been making at MicroStrategy. It really wasn't possible before, because if you want to get information to thousands and millions of people, it has to be as easy as possible.
I think MicroStrategy has been on a mission with its workstation offering to reimagine that analytics and administrative authoring experience.
And we said, okay, well, how do we make the creation of these cards really, really simple? And it's dead easy. You open up Workstation, you point at a data set that you're interested in, and you drag and drop the items that you want into these cards.
Deploy that to hundreds of thousands of people with the click of a button and have them automatically be able to consume that information in the tool of their choosing, whether that's email or a web browser or mobile device.
We think cards are that next big revolution of going from these big, heavy, complex dashboards to something bite-sized, easy to understand, and easy to sort of consume.